This is rough.
Having fun up there?
Loser. That's not who I meant. Ceroba has no face. So, Ceroba. Anyways, today we are doing this warehouse. I don't think I'm going to do an intro. That thing really does not look like a bird. Anger. Look at that guy.
Come on.
We should touch it.
No, I'm still off on the defibrillator.
There's another one.
Hey.
I don't think Ceroba revives himself again.
Real quick.
Bro. Anyway,
Bro
Ceroba
in
has
stock.
a gun.
Yeah!
Holy stuff.
Ceiling trap somewhere around here.
Oh no. There's a ceiling trap in the basement. Oh no.
Get up here.
Oh.
We're dying about.
Look at this thingy.
Oh, I failed! Throw it!
Loser.
Just leave! Oxygen! Just run! Just leave me!
Anyways,
Just
that's all
get
we have
oxygen.
time for because
Get the camera.
we are running out of oxygen.